Hi, today we're going to study the tangent lines on the differential calculus na. And we will treat the derivative as a slope. No? So we have two problems. The first one, we're asked to find the tangent lines in the curve y is equal to x squared times the quantity x squared plus 2x minus 2 that is parallel to the x-axis. When a line is parallel, if this is our x-axis, no? If this is our x-axis, any line that is parallel to the x-axis, the slope of that line is equal to 0. So, the slope of the tangent line parallel to the x-axis, this is y prime is equal to 0. So, y prime, if we get the differential of this one, derivative of this one, so x squared, this is the, we're going to apply the product rule, no? So we're going to get the derivative of the second one, x squared times the quantity 2x minus 2, no? X squared times the quantity 2x plus 2, no? Plus the quantity, the derivative of the first one, times x squared plus 2x minus 2. So the derivative of x squared is 2x. So we multiply this, no, using the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 2x cubed times 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Plus, no, so we distribute also this one, 2x, to the terms inside the parentheses you have here. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed plus 2x times 2x power x squared minus 2 times 2x is negative 2 power x. So, combining similar terms, 2x cubed plus 2x cubed is 4x cubed. 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared minus 4x. So, we have here a trinomial. We factor out 2x, and what remains is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So we get that to 0 because our slope is 0. So we're going to factor out also this one to get the roots of this equation. So we use the coefficient of this trinomial, 2 plus 2 minus 2, and the most possible root is positive 2 since the last term is negative 2. So this one is negative 2 because x plus 2 excuse me, is negative 2. So we bring down the leading coefficient, which is 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and then we add, we get negative 1. We multiply again by negative 2, we get positive 2. So we got no remainder. So we have here the product of this trinomial, of this polynomial here. We get 2x times x plus 2, which is the roots of this one, no? X plus 2. So times 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we got three values for x, no? The first one is 0, negative 2, and 1 half, no? So at x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0. So y minus y is 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. So since the slope is equal to 0, y is equal to y sub 1, which is equal to 0. So at x is equal to negative 1 half, the second root. So we use the same equations, the given equation, and substitute negative 2 to the given equation. the given polynomial here. So we get negative x squared times the quantity negative 2 raised to 2 plus 2 times the quantity negative 2. No? This one we substitute negative 2 and minus 2. So combining all the terms here, we get negative 8. So we get y is equal to negative 8. We substitute y to the point, point slope form. So y minus y sub 1, no, is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So since y is equal to negative 8, y minus 8 is equal to y plus 8. Since all of this is equal to 0, since the slope is equal to 0, y will be equal to negative 8. So this will be our second answer. So for the third root, which is 1/2, at x is equal to 1/2, we substitute also this one to the given polynomial here, no? So y, no, here, no, to the given polynomial here, y is equal to, we substitute 1/2, 1/2 raised to 2, no, 1/2 squared is equal to 1/2 squared plus 2 times the quantity 1/2 minus 2. So this one, 1/2 squared is equal to 1/4, and we combine all of this term here, we get negative 3/4. And so 1/4 times negative 3/4 is negative 3/16. So this will be our, this will be the value of, this will be our value of x sub 1. So we substitute this value negative 3/16 to the point slope form with the value of y sub 1 to be negative 3/16. So y minus negative 3/16 will be equal to y plus positive 3/16. Y is equal to y plus 3/16 is equal to, since this, all of this is equal to 0, so y will be equal to negative 3/16. So this will be our answer. No? So we got 3 lines for the first problem. The first one, y is equal to 0, which is the x-axis. This is the first line, no? That is the x-axis, no, itself. So the second line is y is equal to negative 8, no, below the x-axis. And the last one is y is equal to negative 3/16. We got 3 answers for the number 1. So we have another problem. It has to find the tangent line to the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax with slope m. So the slope of this one is not 0, no? So that is we're asked to find the tangent line to the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax. So we find the derivative of this one. We get 2y prime is equal to 4a. No? So y prime is equal to m. No? We substitute y prime. And we divide both sides of the equation by 2. We cancel out 2 here. So what remains here is y times the quantity m is equal to 2a. So y is equal to 2a over m. Knowing that, no, knowing the value of y, which is equal to 2a over m. So from the given equation, y squared is equal to 4ax. No, we substitute this y here, no, to the value of y here. No, so 2a over m squared is equal to 4ax. We get the value of x. So this one, square root of this one is 4a squared over m squared. So we divide that by 4a, and we get a, the value of x is a over m squared. So having this value of x here, we substitute this one, a over m squared, to be our x of 1. So from y, the point slope form, the y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times quantity x minus x of 1. So y, we got the value of y here to be 2a minus m is equal to m times quantity x minus a over m squared, no, with slope m, no. So we multiply this inside the parenthesis here, we get m times x, mx, m times the a over m squared, so a over m. So after this, no, after computing this one, we transpose negative 2a over m and change the sign of the 1. So that one becomes positive. So we have here y is equal to mx minus am, a over m. We change the sign, plus 2a over m. So 2a over m minus a over m is equal to a over m. So our answer is y is equal to mx plus a over m. So this will be our answer for the second problem. No? So that's it. No? That's how we're going to tackle this kind of problem. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get to see more problems like this, and also click that notification bell that you can see. Thank you, and see you again later.